Hello and welcome to Exams Made Easy. Friends, I hope you all are doing well. Through this video, we'll be discussing the Honorable Delhi High Court order copy of 9th of April 2021 on AMI recognition. As you can see here on the screen, Honorable Mr. Justice Pratik Jalan, it is between Institution of Engineers India and Union of Indian Others, and the case number is WP within bracket C 3790 of 2013. So friends, before we proceed, I would like to inform you that here in Exams Made Easy, you can get each and every information regarding AMI recognition. So if you would like to watch our previous videos on AMI recognition, and we had covered each and every Honorable Delhi High Court case copy in detail, a link is available in the description box. By following the link, you can access all such videos. So friends, if you look at the first point, I think you know it very well that if you have admitted into the Institution of Engineers prior to 31st May 2013, then your degree is absolutely valid. And if you have admitted after 31st May 2013, then that is under the jurisdiction of Honorable Delhi High Court, and the case is still going on from 2013 onwards. And this was the order of Honorable Ministry of Human Resource and Development of 6th December 2012. Now coming to the second point, that is, I think you know it very well, from 11th of February 2020, no fresh admission is being taking place, because as per the order of 11th February 2020, Honorable Delhi High Court clearly said that no fresh admission would be made, right? So that's why now nobody else can take admission into the Institution of Engineers. And that was not only the judgment of Honorable Delhi High Court, that was the judgment of Honorable Supreme Court as well. So if you see it, it was in between Institution of Mechanical Engineers India, and in that case also on 6th December 2020, what was the judgment of Supreme Court, that was still upheld by the Supreme Court. So in this regard, it is said that it is not possible you cannot take fresh admission. That is, the same judgment is upheld by the Honorable Delhi High Court also. You can see here. So according to the whatever the order of 11th February 2020 was, according to this, now also no fresh admission would be made by the petitioners until further order of the court. So no further order is given by the court so that the institution can take further new admissions. So now coming to the next point. So friends, next point in this regard, I would like to tell you that the point number 5. In these circumstances, I do not consider, that is, Honorable Judge do not consider it appropriate to permit the petitioner to admit students at this stage. So the judge is not, or the Delhi High Court is not allowing the institution to give them permission so that they can admit new students. The interest of potential students would also not be served by permitting them to be admitted when the right of the petitioner is in dispute. Because I think you know that recognition is still pending. So if the Honorable Delhi High Court allows institution for fresh admission, then what will be the future of all such students? So this application is consequently rejected. This is near about 4 to 5 times the Institution of Engineers requested them for getting permission to take fresh admission. That is once again it is rejected by Honorable Delhi High Court. So now what is the next date of hearing? That's what I will show you. Mr. Mishra requests that the present writ petition be heard after the decision of the order of this case, I think you know it, and rather than being heard along with the said batch. At this request, leaves the said case on 5th of August 2021. So you have to wait for the further 3 to 4 months for the next hearing. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, and never forget to press the all notification bell icon to never miss any upcoming updates on AMI recognition. Thanks for watching. As always, have a nice day ahead.